'Cause you're a white boy in Brooklyn.
You're staring at me crooked.
Just a white boy in Brooklyn.
Yo, homie, keep it pushing. I'm just a white boy in Brooklyn. I'll never bite the bullet, 'cause I'm that white boy in Brooklyn. Ha, yo, look, man, I'm just a white boy in Brooklyn. Just moved into the brownstone building on Bainbridge Street. Oh my, what a feeling. Utica Ave subway down the block. I'm the only white boy here except for the cops. My landlord told me on the first night there, it's a pretty safe place, so don't be scared. The streets in the area are not that busy. Walking down the city got me feeling like I'm Diddy. Old Cadillacs, huge white rims, summertime Nikes, wintertime Timbs. Next stop, full 10th Street, small shops, good vibes, grab a bite to eat. Guys smoking out the window, loud rap blasting. You ain't in Brooklyn until you hear that accent. Shoutouts to Biggie, Jay-Z and Mos Def. Living in a city that never sleeps, I get no rest. Took a train to the Barclays where the Nets play. We just got KD, Kyrie, DeAndre. But anyways, I met some crazy people. Talked about politics and how it's all evil. I had to go, so I told them peace. I grabbed a slice of pizza to go with extra cheese. As I'm walking